Welcome once again. Genius Villagers welcomes you.
Now let's do our copying. We are going to copy file F1 or any of them into our directory test2 that we created. Now we use cp, which is the command cp, just a short form, cpf1 to test2. We can also let's copy another one, demo. Demo into test2. Okay, so when we ls, demo is still there, f1 is there, but we have already copied it to test2. So now what we can do is cd backwards and then be able to cd to change our directory into test2. So test2, we're already inside test2. If we pwd, it's going to show us we're in test2. So we can ls list everything inside test2. So we see now we have demo and f1 right inside test2. Makes sense? Great. The next command that we have is called move. Move does more than one thing. So one of the things it does is it changes or it renames a file. It does what? It renames a file. Let's move mv f1 with file. You get that? So let us ls and see. F1 has been renamed to file. mv f file 2 to test2. Now ls, we don't have file 2 anymore inside test. File 2 has been moved to test2 directory. How is that possible? Let's see. We now cd into test2 and we ls what is inside test2. See that? So move command can do two things. One, it can move a file from one folder to another, and it can also be used to rename a certain folder. In case you did an error in typing the name, you can rename it using move command. That is about move command. The next one is, I want to remove each and everything inside test2. How can I do that? rm. rm is an abbreviation for remove. Here. The next command that we have is remove. rm. This removes files and even folders. rm demo. When you hit enter and then ls, you'll see that demo is gone. It's been deleted off. It's gone. Something interesting is, let's try to open vi file. Of course, I want to type something inside it. To be able to insert something in vi, you have to press I first. Once you press I, then it goes into, it allows you to start writing insert command. So this is fun. This is fun. That's done. Control. So after that, you press escape come out of the insert command, then W Q. W is a command for saving and Q is for quitting. Now our file has content inside it. Let's try remove it. rm file. It's gone. ls. File 1 is also gone. Now let's cd out of test2. Let's now try to delete our folder, and we want to delete. Before that, let's make another folder, mkdir. I'll call it try, or no, a simple way I'll call it delete me. So it's been created. Now we are going to start by deleting this file first, this folder first. Sorry about that, this folder. So it's rm dir remove directory, rm dir. So delete me, hit enter. When we ls, delete me is gone. It's no longer there. Now let us try to remove test. We have test here. Let's try to remove test. We've got an error. Failed to remove test. Why? Because it's not empty. So how do we remove a directory or a folder that has a file inside it? Remember, we've been creating files inside both test and test2. So to be able to do that, there's what we call recursive. You make it to do it. rm dir. Let's try that. I want to try this. Dir r test. It says invalid option. How do I do that? That does not work. I have failed to do it, bro. Okay, just kidding. So what you do is you use rmr test. What does rmr mean? Simple. Let's use man rmr. It says rm means remove files or directories. When you scroll down here, the description here tells you this manual page documents the GNU version of remove rm. Remove each specified file. By default, it does not remove directories. If there is a file inside, then it's good to use this, the recursive option. Recursive options are given. Then remove prompts now allows you, what it first does is recursiveness allows you to first delete the files inside. Once the files are deleted, then it then deletes what? The directory into which the files were being stored. So that is exactly what it means. So hope that's clear. Now we can also remove test2 as well. It's gone. We have some commands like change owner of the file. I guess I'm just gonna leave this for you guys so that you can continue enjoying the program and do a little bit of research. How exactly is this done? You can share your contributions in the comments below. The other one that we can look into is also HMOD. Yeah, there's HM. What does HMOD plus X do? F1. What does it do? What does HMOD plus read write execute do to the file? What does HMOD plus write XW do? So these are some assignments for you, and feel free to give your answers in the comments. And if you're quite challenged, I'll come back with the next tutorial that will give you insights about these ones. Thank you very much, and don't forget, I will request you subscribe to the channel and share it with friends. Let's all learn Linux, the channel for the newbies. The newbies are taking it high. See you next time. Thank you.